Hey everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be diving into a really fantastic little UI component that can make a huge difference in your app's user experience. It's called the B4XDaisyIndicator. So let's jump right in.
Okay, so you've been there, right? You've got a user avatar, and you need to show if they're online, or maybe you have a shopping cart icon that needs to display how many items are in it. So what's the best way to add that little visual cue without a ton of hassle?
Well, that's exactly where the B4XDaisyIndicator comes into play. It's this super simple, super flexible component built for exactly this kind of job. You can kind of think of it like a smart little sticker you can pop onto any other view in your app to give users info at a single glance.
All right, so first things first, where do you actually want this little indicator to show up? The component gives you total, and I mean super simple, control over where it sits next to the element it's attached to.
And what's so cool here is how it all works. You just combine two simple properties, one for horizontal and one for vertical, and you can place the indicator in one of 9 different spots. You want it on the top right? No problem. Just set horizontal to end and vertical to top. Bottom left? That's just start and bottom. It's a really powerful grid system that's just dead simple to use.
Okay, so you've got it placed exactly where you want it. Now, how do you want it to look? This is where the variants come in. The indicator has a bunch of built-in styles that let you change its color in a snap to match whatever it's for.
And here's the whole list. You've got 8 ready-to-go variants to pick from. They cover everything from your standard neutral or primary colors, all the way to more specific ones like info, success, warning, and error. All you got to do is call the .setVariant method, pick one of these, and bam, you're done.
So, for example, here's the primary one. This is going to be great for your general-purpose notifications or maybe just to match the main color theme of your app.
And then you've got the success variant. This awesome green is perfect for telling the users something good happened, like you're online or your message was sent. Your users will know exactly what that means right away.
And of course, there's the error variant. You know, that bright red just grabs your attention, which makes it perfect for critical alerts or showing that something failed. The color itself tells the whole story. You don't need anything else.
But this thing is more than just a pretty colored dot. It has this really clever feature baked right in that's a total game changer for things like notification badges. I'm talking about its smart counter mode. And this is the best part. With literally one line of code, .setCounterTrue, you turn this indicator into an intelligent counter. It handles all the usual display logic for you, so you can just forget about writing a bunch of messy if-then statements.
And here's how that logic works. It's so smart. If the value is 0 or less, boom, it just hides itself. Perfect, right? If the value is anywhere from 1 to 99, it shows you that exact number. And the best part, if you get more than 99 notifications, it doesn't try to cram in a huge number. It just cleanly shows 99 plus, so your UI never looks cluttered. It's just smart design, handled for you automatically.
All right, so we've talked about where it goes, what it looks like, and its cool counter mode. But now for the big question, right? How do you actually stick this thing onto another element in your app?
You're going to love this. Attaching it is so easy. You use the Attach to Target method. So you can see here, we start with a plain old user avatar. Then, after we create our indicator, we just call Attach to Target and pass in that avatar view. And just like that, the indicator snaps right into place exactly where we told it to go. It's really that simple.
Here's another great example that puts it all together. We've got a standard bell icon for notifications. We just attach a success variant indicator, turn on the counter mode, and give it a value of 5. And there you have it. You've made a fully functional notification badge. And it only took what? A couple lines of code? That's awesome.
So let's just do a quick recap of why this component is so great. First, it's positional. You've got 9 precise spots to choose from. It's colorful, with 8 built-in styles ready for any job. It's smart, because that automatic counter does all the heavy lifting for you. And finally, it's attachable. You can connect it to any other B4X view you want with just one command.
Look, it's a tiny component, but it solves a huge common problem in a really elegant and flexible way. So really the only question left is, what are you going to indicate first in your app? Thanks for watching.